today's math class, we'll be talking about comparison of ratios, where in our previous class we've talked about what ratio is. Now, in today's class of comparison of ratio, a ratio can be expressed in the form n to 1, where n is a whole number, a fraction, or a decimal. This form is useful when comparing ratios. It is also important to know that for maths and plans, the scale is often given as a ratio of 1 to n. So, for a normal ratio, it is expressed as n ratio 1, and for maths and plans, the scale is usually given as ratio 1 to n. And our first example today is express the ratio 5.70 to 1.90 in the form n to 1. 5.70 to 1.90. So how do we do it? We have it to be 5.7 over 1.9, where we can write it to be 57 over 19. Now, when we have something like this, it will now be 57 divided by 19 over 19 divided by 19 to get our ratio of n to 1. And 57 divided by 19 is now 3 over 1, where we have the ratio to be 3 ratio 1. Now, for the second example, it says find which ratio is greater. 7 ratio 13 or 8 ratio 15. For 7 ratio 13, we have 7 over 13, which is equals to 7 divided by 13 over 13 divided by 13. So we have this to be 0.538 over 1. Now, for 8 and 15, we have 8 over 15. Here we have it to be 8 divided by 15 over 15 divided by 15. So we have this to be 0.533 over 1. So the ratio that is greater, where we have ratio 7 to 13, we have it to be 0.538 ratio 1, and 8 ratio 15, we have it to be 0.533 ratio 1. So, solving this, which ratio is greater? The first ratio is greater.